Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super fine. So today's channel is analytics screen. So what I will be doing is I'll be taking it a little step ahead and make a footstep analytics. And yeah, it rhymed very well. So what I'll do is I'll just put boxes for my wireframing here, and I've actually already picked up a few colors. One is white and one is this purple with a gradient. So yeah, I will make another box here, just adjust into that and increase the size of this, and again I'll put another box and again drag to fit in. And what I'll do is I'll just make a graph instead of, I'll just make a graph. So yeah, I have a graph ready here. Anyways, I'll just use this color. I've actually made a library of these colors. Oh, where is the library? Not library, where is it? Okay, not library, but in document assets, it'll be there. This new update, it's a new update in Adobe XD where there is document assets and your library. Your library is basically from the cloud it takes in. So as I have no access in the cloud, so my files are not here, but I have my assets of the documents assets are there. So I've taken these two colors and added here with this button, and I'll select this and give it uh, that same color with maybe I will put this also a little bit. Yeah, this looks perfect. And what I'll do is again next I'll give this a lighter gray, pitch of a light, pinch of light gray. So for this I will have to remove, I think I'll remove all the bag borders. So yeah, I have 7 days. So it'll be analysis of 7 days design, 7 days walking footsteps of 7 days. Okay, I'll just remove this. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. I'll even have to look at the spacing once this is all done. So I'll anyways just put it in. I think I'll have to use the first three letters of the days. Tuesday, I'll keep Tuesday. Yeah. Monday, I'll keep Mon. So for this, again I'll get Thursday THU, and for Friday it's Fry, and again it will be Saturday Sat and Sunday Sun. So we have our 7 days of the week. I will make everything white in this so that it is not it'll so that it is visible in our dashboard here. See, it's already having a problem now fitting this in. So what I'll do is I'll just drop this here. I'll make it smaller. Okay, so I have this here. I will give it a length. Okay, I will add a length to this part, and maybe I'll lock the background for now. Control L for locking the background. So I'll just go with maybe 500 steps. Start with 500. I will reduce the font to 9. Basically I'll keep everything 10. I'll not keep it 9 because 9 will not be that visible. So yeah, 10 is what is ideal for now. So what I'll do is I can't use the grid for now because we have a lot of items, but yeah, luckily the Monday to Sunday is in the grid. Okay, I will put a equidistance thing in here. So yeah, that is there. Then I'll put a few bars here. I'll keep it white itself. I'll not change the color of the bar. So I'll just remove this. So whatever I design in this is completely fictional and may not be in real. So yeah, person can walk 500, 500,000 thousand steps, and 1500 steps, and then I'll take this to this, then I'll select these both and put it here so that it is easy for me to do the changes. 1500, and I'll make this as a 2000, 2500, and then I'll go with 3000. So I have, and it goes on. It depends on basically what is the highest value, and it auto adjust with the things in this case. So I'll just reduce the width of this thing to a little bit. Maybe I would give it a curvature on the top with this here, maybe 10. How would be 10 look? 10 will look a lot, so I'll go with a 6 and a 6. So yeah, this is still too much. Anyways, I'll just adjust it anyways. Once I adjust, it's 4. So what I'll do is I'll select this again and give 0 here and here. So one that fits in properly. So now we'll shift to our Tuesday, and I'll make it a little smaller. Go to Wednesday, I'll make it a little more smaller. Go to Thursday, and surprisingly the person, okay, I think I'll have to remove the grid so that it is just not disturbing me. Okay, but I don't want it to fit in here. Yeah, now it's fine. And then Friday also it is a little good, a little more. So yeah, this one again Saturday, being it's a Saturday, the person has hardly worked 500 steps, and on Sunday, as it is Sunday, not even 250 steps. So keeping everything in the mind, so I'll actually make it center lined for everything. Okay, huh. So our graph is done properly. I will actually have to make it. Okay, this looks fine. I will have to give I might even give it a little bit of dash here. So I'll just give it a white. Okay, so basically what I will be doing is I will put as this is a, what do you say, this is a exercise fitness application. So what I'll give is I'll give a walk step counter step counter, and then we step counter, calorie count, and then what else, heart rate monitor, HEART monitor, heart rate monitor, uh, and then what we'll have another thing called as ECG. Okay, so this 4 will be our main menu part. So I'll just give it a, okay, now what I'll do is I'll select all 4 and give a equidistance one, and then make it a center line. Okay, so as we are in the step counter part, I'll just give it a smaller one. So for indication, I will give it okay, I have to select even the font also, right? Font, I'll go today with something like Roboto. I'll go with Roboto, as I have not used it a lot. Roboto is here, and what I'll do is I'll just go with a medium. Okay, the bold looks good. Okay, and then I'll select all the numbers and the text of this. Okay, number, text of this, days, and give it Roboto. There goes roboto regular. Okay, so our design part, it's pretty good, but I am not liking it. The reason is I have to make it a little more smaller. Yeah, this is fine. Reduce this and control G. I will actually make a grid again and maybe center line it for ha. So this is what our design is good as of now. It just needed to be a little more smaller. That's fine. So what I'll do here is I'll just give a maybe an orange. I'll remove the grid because when it's gridded the colors are a little bad. Orange looks good, but it is too flashy, so I'll just go with the light one of this orange, and I'll unlock all the items from the selected. I'll just drag it here. Okay, okay. Everything I'll select and I'll drag. So we have enough space here, and reduce this. So what I'll do is I'll open this file from here, the iOS 12 GUI. I will take a few elements from here again. So yeah, it's loading. Meanwhile, let it load. I'll make a few cards. I will make a few cards. Maybe a little round here, and remove the border. Give it a super amazing shadow. So the shadow looks good. Okay, I think this is ready. I will go to iPhone XS, get this in black. Yeah, I have it in black here. So yeah, this one and this one. Control C, and I'll drop it here. Control V. So we have our iPhone part. iPhone notification. So what I will do is I'll put a burning SVG actually to give it a streak of 15 days. That the challenge has been done for 16 days. The walk challenge basically, not my challenge. My challenge is around maybe 16th 18th day of the challenge today is. So 15 days, 15 days streak completed. So yeah, that is there. Okay, streak spelling is wrong, my bad. Okay, so we have our streak. I would actually go to the browser and get a fire icon, fire png, fire png. Okay, so basically I want a vector of this vector, fire vector png. So this looks good, and I think I've found a perfect one. I hope it is a perfect. Yep, it is a perfect one. So I'll just drag it to my wall, my desktop, and then I'll just get it here and drop it. I'll make it a smaller one. Okay, so we have our streak also. So this looks good. This is amazing. Okay, so what I will give is I will centerline this by shift M, I mean middle alignment. So we have our streak. I think I'll have to change the color for this, but I will look after that. We'll look into that later. So I'll just drag another card here and remove this streak. So I'll remove this all. Okay, I'll just make another copy of this. Today steps. Okay, for this I'll put 2500. Okay, I'll just drag it here and then here. And I'll just put a today, today here, make it smaller. Today, okay, shift T, and so that it is basically for today. We'll have a brief idea that this steps, yeah, taken. Okay, I think I'll actually give a, I don't know, I'm not sure about the color of this graph, but yeah, let me see, let me get some inspiration from this cool website called this coolers. Yeah, the pun intended in that. So there is this very good website where you actually, I'll close everything. Okay, this is really annoying. Okay, I will just maybe press spacebar to generate a color, random color for the bars. Okay, this looks good, but I'm not sure with the background that we have chosen. We will actually have to go lighter version, right on the lighter part. Cancel. Okay. Oh, just miss. That was a nice one. Okay, this color looks good. Lavender web. So I'll just copy the hex code of this. Go here. Shift Control G. So that ungroup everything. Okay. I've ungrouped everything. I will select this and select this. Go to this and Control V. Let me know if okay. This is good. This is fine actually. We have something in the color part done. Okay, and now what I'll work is I'll work on this color, the line, rounded corners. I don't think this is required. I will just take it to this part. So we have our, okay, what I'll do is now I'll just delete this lines, go back, get I think this is not, this is enough. I don't want anything more than this. Okay, this is actually painful. No. I want this to be selected. Okay. So we have our graph ready, which shows that we have walked these many steps, so and so, and steps taken this one, and we'll give a button called compare with your friends. I'll actually go check in the iOS GUI kit if there is any button available for the UI part, and there is this button which I'm not going to use. Any buttons? Okay, it's a normal button though. I will just go back to my creation and give a box saying share today's achievements with the same color of this. Okay, I will actually go with this again, but I will make it a little more lighter than the one, or I can go with the lavender web. So yeah, that is looking kind of odd. I am not sure. Yeah, I look into that later, because basically when you're designing, no, sometimes things don't come into your head on spot. You will have to shift to something else, and then you might get even better idea than what you're thinking. So that's what I'll follow here. Share this with your friends. Okay, there are some spelling mistakes here and there. Share with your friends. I'll make this white. Get an icon from icons for design. I'll click share here, and I'll get this icon. This is a good one. I'll just drag it to here, make it white. Oops, make it white. I'll reduce the size of this. Okay, so I'll just reduce even the line weight. This one I'll make a center lined. Control G, hold this, Shift C and Shift M. So yeah, I have shared this with your friend and all. So we have this. I have to look into this part. I have to make an logo, basically logo. I can keep it just like this. Okay, logo of the fitness app. And then we have a back button, which is going to be crazy as hell. So yeah, this is there. And yeah, I know this is not crazy as hell, but yeah, this is easy to make. Okay, I'll increase this. Give rounded corners everywhere. Give it a white or black. Hmm. So what I'll do is I'll give a back button for this, and this one I'll make a, maybe not a logo but a user's face, so that it looks at. Acha, so I'm looking at my face, my thing. So there is this very cool plugin in XD that's called the user profile. Just you'll have to click on this one button and you're ready. You will get a pretty good image, and you will have to make it a little adjustments here and there. So we have this, and I think we might even give it name called Adam Johns. Adam Adma. Adam Johns, Johns. So yeah, I'll make it a little smaller. I will actually go to this. Yeah. So our analytics for Adam John is ready. So yeah, I think I'm done for this, and I hope you like it too. And do share it with your friends. I hope this was a nice session of UI design challenge. And thank you for watching. If you have liked it, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment on my video so that I get a feedback and improve myself. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.